Good evening to all of you. Today we have got a topic on debate. Is AI is good or bad? So before going to the topic, let's first discuss about AI. AI is we all know is an artificial intelligence. So AI is the science of making machine that can perform like human. So AI can do whatever thing we want to ask. It can perform code. It can help us with anything if you want to ask to it. So there are so many merits and demerits of AI. So first let's talk about the demerits of AI. So the demerits of AI. It is the employment rate is increasing because the AI has come in many sectors. So the employment rate is increasing, and the students are very dependent on AI. So they are not forcing themselves to solve that problem. They are just only dependent on AI for like Chat GPTs and OpenAI, Siri, Google. These are while giving exams there they cannot find AI, and so this will affect their studies and all.
Well, friend, I would like to interrupt you for this point. As you say, there are many increasing in unemployment, but that's not true. AI is increasing in technology, and technology uses this deep learning, machine learning to help people. And AI is also used for many business purposes. Like if you want to start your company or start your business, AI will help you in progress. As you there are many employees who take a lot of charge, you have to pay them for a different kind of field. For example, you have to give money for a development, but if you're using AI, you can build your own development things and start your company interface and etc. So AI is good for that thing. And people are mostly confused in unemployment and AI. These two are different worlds. AI is not taking the jobs and making them unemployed. It's not true. They are all false, and many people believe that AI is in future will take their jobs, and these all that stuffs are very false. AI is helpful for human being. It helps to human to dependent on works which will release the dependency and make the stressful lives of people. So AI is good for in the that field.
But my friend, I don't agree with you because there are so many disadvantages of AI. Like AI is very dangerous because these days fakes are very popular. People are using deep fakes and treating people's like they are using their face and voice and using it someone others, and they are treating them and blackmailing them. So it is very dangerous. And if AI will come, and it is to be believed that in future robots will come. So if robots will come, then people will become unemployment. They will sit at home and they have no works to do. So I think that we have came in this world to earn the money and to live a good life. If AI will do all the things, then what we can do? Our purpose is not to sit at home and enjoy our life. Our purpose is to earn money and to live a good life. So that we have to work. And if AI will come, then all this work will we will not work. So I think that's the demerit of AI.
But I think AI is good because right now, if we see in modern world, then in future I think human needs AI, because AI is very useful and very helpful for humanity. Like in 19th century there is a computers came, and everyone thinks that computer will take or snatch their jobs from humans. But in this world right now we see that computers are more accurate compared to humans, and AI also can do this kind of work. So I think AI is good for humanity.
So, my friends, your topic is AI is best. So, you also know Bima 48 and Sophia. So, the director of Sophia and Bima 48. So, one day, the director of Bima 48 asked it for Bima 48 to your think about and your think the your and human feelings and emotions.
Is based on the data which established on the invention of AI. If data year by year changes, AI will accelerate its memory or try to understand the data sets. AI used this data set to train itself. So as you said, Sophia, it is based on the data set all over the world. So she finds all the data related to that particular word. So she tells related to that thing. So you can't say that AI will took over the world and it will be reason for the extinction of a human. So it can't be true. It is a small word for small word for talking about this scenario things. But AI is you can see that using your phone you have AI. It is very useful for the education background also. You can watch many videos just by asking your any AI versions by just example in Apple you got Siri, and in Android phone you got many systems for AI which can help you in education and in other field also. As I told you, in business sector many people are using AI to develop their business. So these all words are not true for AI to tell that it will take a jobs or anything, that will be false.
So, well, my friend, you are say that if AI is in our world, that we cannot earn money, right? So, according to me, AI is very helpful for us because AI is give us many facilities and useful things.
Many works we are operating only in computer or by mobile phones. So I have seen in my father is also working in power plant, so he operates by the computer uh, uh, through the AI. So AI doing the work of the humans. So we are becoming lazier at talking about the earlier times. In older times there were no AI, so people were going to their farms and uh, doing very, they are very fit, and there were no AI, so they are doing their jobs very well. They are very healthy, and because of there are no AI, so no money problem much there, as in plants and all they are working by their hands and making constructing buildings and all. So
Yeah, I agree with my friend. He's saying right because we human being are totally dependent on AI. We are dependent on AI for everything. Like we are asking it for like location. We are asking it for like problems. So I think AI is making us lazy, and I think we have born in this world to fight for ourselves. We can't depend on some technology. And if we see AI is totally a machine, and we can't depend on a machine totally because after all it will if we what if we'll say if your phone will get dead, then you will not use Siri, you will not use Google, then how will AI will help you na? So I think in that way AI is totally like bad.
But right now, if we right now is hot season, right, and we can't stay in accommodate very slowly, and if like AI is needs right now. If we say then we can't able to stay without our phone and without our computers, because right now everyone doing their works from computer or mobile. So AI is not that bad, and also humans are not only dependent on AI is just helping humans.
As you said that AI making people lazy, and they don't want to work, as AI making their work very efficient and make them very lazy. So I want to tell that if you don't want to civilize, don't want to use any technology, so don't use watch, don't use any mobile phones. Go to or early man era, so you don't have to use this kind of technology. People are moving toward technology, and technology are becoming more vast and upgrading. So you can't say that people are becoming lazy. Many people are many billionaire and many businessmen are for example Bill Gates he's very a founder of the Microsoft Windows and Microsoft. He's developed his own company AI. So he's no, you can't say he's very lazy. He can't do any work. He's a very down to earth person. He's go to, for any for routine work, or he go for walking and around traveling around the world. He often he comes to India, and in India, and when he come to India, he when news comes that Bill Gates has came to India, he's traveled this and wanted to invest in India. So you can't say this AI is making people lazy. It's not true. AI is just making the time, and it's not taking your time. For example, you want to develop anything, you want to do any work. If the AI is not there, you have to search many queries, search
But my friend, I don't agree with you. As you said that people are completely dependent on AI. They are looking for the like if they got stuck at any problem, they will come. They will just go to AI apps like ChatGPT and they will find their answer. So that's what making a human being lazy, and they are not growing their mind. They are not pushing their mind to solve it by their own. So they are completely dependent on technology. That's the bad thing. I agree with you that technology is helpful for us, but we can't totally depend on that now, because we have to do something that we have to like grow out from our boundaries. We have to push ourselves from our boundaries. Then only we will grow. Then only we will move higher in our life. If we completely depend on technologies, then it is difficult for us. That's why the unemployment rate is so high. The people are becoming jobless because they are completely dependent on technology. Because we human
that the topic has been assigned that AI is good or bad. That we are not against to technology. That you are just I mean to say that supporting that technology is bad. You are just focusing about that people should go for all kind of efforts. I mean to say that he should do himself or herself. No, the topic is that AI is good or bad, and definitely I must say about that कि this is the age of technology, and we cannot deny that कि technology is really very helpful. Because of the technology, we have launched Gaganyaan, Chandrayaan, and all sort of the things. We do have bullet trains. We have YouTube's, Facebook, Instagrams, and all sort of things, and easily that we are taking classes on Zoom and all. See that. Artificial intelligence like that helping us to make our life easier and comfortable. Let me give an example like Suno.ai is a kind of AI that whatever you write, if you write any kind of poem or any kind of song, immediately he will make a song, and whatever that in style you want, I mean to say that jazz, bhangra, pop, whatever. Even though I have made also my theme song with the help of AI, and you know that Chat GPT, amazing that number of people they are lacking to write an email or any kind of paragraphs, or even you want to correct, and suppose that you have written any kind of paragraph and you feel that I have committed some grammatical mistakes or spelling mistakes and punctuation. What you have to do, just you have to copy your paragraph and just you have to write that, correct that paragraph, immediately he will correct it. So that's really nice. Technology is really very helpful, and AI is a new kind of tool that is reaching and taking you up to that mark that nobody can believe. In the past time, even though when that computer was introduced, number of people they made hue and cry, oh my god, that computer will come, then people will become jobless. Now because of computer, we are the fifth largest I mean to say that having a 3.5 trillion economy we do have. Because of computer, we are making numerous softwares, number of people are getting jobs, and because of that, stock exchange, everywhere that technology is being used. So I must say, yes, all the fingers are not same. Each coin has two faces. We might find some kind of, I mean to say, bad side or dark side, like as someone mentioned about deep fake, where that videos are used and we are changing the face and all. So ye hoga, we cannot deny. And even though I have seen many kind of songs which was sung by especially Narendra Modi and all 21st century.
Sir, I agree with you that you are saying that AI is useful, but sir, we can't totally depend on AI now, because we have to do our work by ourselves. We can't totally depend on some tools to done our work by them. So I think we have to grow our mind, and we can take help from them, but we have to like push ourselves to. For example, if we are stuck at any question, then we have to push ourselves first.